Hi guys, welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series. This is a second part of built-in modules or Python standard libraries. In previous video, we have discussed about sys module. If you want to learn about sys module, please watch my previous video. But in this video, we will discuss OS module. The OS module in Python provide a way of using operating system dependent functionality. And also we can find information about our location and also about the process. Before using OS module, first we have to import using import keyword, and then we will use dir keyword, and this keyword will show us all the directories and properties of OS module. And see here, these are the properties. But in this video, we will discuss some important properties of OS module. We will talk about os.system property. Using os.system property, we can access the functionality of command prompt. For example, I want to check pip command, and I don't need to go and open the command prompt. I just used here os.system, and then in double quote I just written here pip, and when I run this code, it will show all the directories and files present in pip. Let me run this, and also it return 0 integer value. And see here in command prompt, see here, it just open the pip command and show us all the commands present in pip. And also we can install any module using os.system, and I want to install numpy, and we can use command pip install numpy. And see here, because I have already installed numpy, that's why it return requirement already satisfied. And next we will discuss os.environment. And when we print os.environment, basically this is a user environment variable, and when we print os.environment, it will return a dictionary of all the directories with key and value pair. And see here the result. And we can access value of any key using this method that we have used in dictionary. If we want to access value of any key, we have to write here the key in round bracket, and then we can access value of key. And see here, this path is a value of app data key. And next we will discuss os.get cwd. And cwd means current working directory. With the help of os.get cwd, we can access our current working directory. And see here, this is my current working directory. And also we can access process ID of current working process using os.getPID, and see here in my case 6524. And next we will discuss os.listDir, and this attribute will return all the directories present in the given path. And see here I have given this path, and os.list directory return a list of directories. Next we will learn how to make a new directory, and using os.mkdir we can create new directory. And see here I want to create a new directory at my desktop. That's why I have given this path, and this is the name of directory. And when I run this code and see here at desktop, it just created a directory. Now I want to change my current working directory. Using os.chdir we can change our current working directory. And in this example I just want to make temp dir to my current working directory. Now I want to show you my current working directory using get cwd, and see here. Now my current working directory is temp. Next I want to show you how to change name of directory. Let me just create a new directory in my current working directory, os.mkdir and dir, and see here it just created a new directory in my current working directory. And now using os.rename, and then I pass the old name of directory and then new. Let me just comment out this and see here name of dir has been changed in dir1. And next we will discuss how to create a file in current directory, and then we will discuss how to rename the file and also how to remove the file using OS module. First I just created a file atif.txt in W mode. Let me comment this and see here in the folder. It just created empty file in my current directory. Now I want to change the name of file, and also we can use os.rename attribute to change the name of file, and see here name has been changed. Next we will discuss os.path.exist attribute, and this attribute of os return us true if path or file exists, as it will return false. And now we will discuss os.remove attribute to remove the file. First we will check if file is existed, then remove the file, else print the file doesn't exist. It return file existed. It means there was a file but now it has been removed from the directory. And see here, in this video we have discussed about OS module. If you have any query, please let me know in comment section. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you won't miss my new video. Thank
Stay
you
tuned.
so much.
We'll
for
be right
watching my
back.
video.